All right, so special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this 8K 60 hertz HDMI bidirectional switch. So this is a little look around the box, nothing on the sides. The back just has the sticker, HDMI 2.1 switch, and you can see 2 HDMI hosts, which would be like a DVD player, a PS3 or others, to 1 HDMI monitor. It supports HDMI 2.1 and HDMI 2.0. It'll of course support all HDMI versions. It's just those two specifically it will support, which is more for 8K. And it even has an LET indicator, and it is plug and play. If you're wondering how this would work, here is a little bit of a demonstration. So for example, you could have a DVD player on one side and a PS3 on the other side, and then it would go to one TV and you'd switch between the two. Or you could even have a PS3 with the switch go into 2 different TVs. It'll work either way. So let's open it up and take a look at it just to show you what comes in here. You'll use all of your included cables from your TV, DVD player, PS3, Xbox, etc. This won't have any cables in it. It's just the switch. So we take it out. There it is. Nothing else in the box. So as you can see, you got HDMI, HDMI 1, HDMI 2, and then this will tell you which one you're on. So if this side's lit up, you're on this HDMI. If this side's lit up, you're on that one. And you just click the button to go in between them. Nothing really else on this to show you. HDMI port and 2 HDMI ports, and that is really it. Again, special thanks to this company for sending me this HDMI bidirectional switch to unbox and demonstrate for you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.